Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a great morning so far. So on today's video, we are going to be reviewing the new Kylie Cosmetics You Are So Money palette. So this is what the palette looks like. Let's take a look inside. Wow, this is super cute. Look at the design on the mirror. It's so adorable. I think she did a great job with the colors in this palette. The greens definitely do catch my eye. I'm going to prime my lips with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. And I'm just using a flat brush to blend this out. And I'm going to set it with the Becca Hydrate Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I received this powder in my August BoxyCharm. The brush I'm using is Sigma Blending Brush E25. So to get the halo effect, you have to blend it out in the inner corner as well. I usually just do up and down motions and then circle. And then you bring it to the middle and back to the outer corner. And we're going to go in with the color Long Money. This beautiful dark pink right here. Again, this palette does have fallout, which I personally don't mind because that means that the pigmentation is there, but I know some people do not like fallout at all. So scratch that. We're going to change the color. It's not dark enough for the look I'm trying to go for. So we're going to go in with this color right here, which is Breaking Records. Okay, yes, this color is way better. So with the darker color, you don't want to bring it up too much. So I like to blend it in the bottom first, and then bring it to the middle, and then we'll slowly go to the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to go in the middle and then to the inner corner. And you want to bring it from the inner corner to the middle, up and down motions, and then round motion. And then towards the top in the middle. Then blend it with the outer corner. And then you keep doing the same thing until you're satisfied. Halo eyes are one of my favorite looks. So now I'm going to do the left eye off camera and I'll be right back. And we are back. So I went ahead and I concealed the middle part on my left eye, and now I'm going to do the right eye on camera. And I am using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camel Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. If you don't own this concealer by now, you definitely do want to run to Target or Walmart or Ulta to buy yourself one. So I just dab it on the bottom part and then I look up and it kind of just creates it for you. And I'm going in with Sigma concealer brush. I'm not sure the number of it because it got erased on the brush. I'm trying to decide between 22 Candles and Goal Setter. They're so pretty. Let me see. Let me swatch both of them. Maybe that'll help me decide. Wow. Yeah, 22 Candles is just calling my name. You know what? I was going to use a brush, but I'm just going to use my finger. Oh, wow. Okay, it does give you a lot of glitter fallout. It looks so pretty, but I'm going to go in with my brush. I'm going to use the Makeup Shack T79 and I'm going to spray it with some water. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, so I do recommend wetting the brush before applying this color and probably the rest of the shimmer colors. So as pretty as the 22 Candles eyeshadow is, it does have a lot of fallout. I feel like I have glitter everywhere now, which is not good. I am glad I didn't do my foundation first because that would have been an epic fail. Okay, so we are back. I finished the rest of my face off camera and now I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line. I'm going to go in with Long Money and then I'm going to do Breaking Records. And I'm going to use my Sigma E30 pencil brush. So what I like to do is to pat the color in first and then blend. Okay, so now we're going to go in with Breaking Records and this really messed up brush. I don't even know where it's from, but it does the job. And again, I pat the color first. Then I grab the same brush from earlier just to smoke it out more. These colors are so beautiful, guys. For my inner corner, I think I'm going to use Time is Money. Just this beautiful color up here. This color is beautiful. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I am in love with this look. The colors are just so beautiful. Congrats, Kylie. You did amazing in this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.